Alright, so I'm back with another video here, and what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how to swap out the whole control panel here. It's a pretty fairly easy process. We'll go ahead and get started here. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and come around to the back. Start to remove these 1/4" bolts. As seen. As we remove these, we'll go ahead and set them off to the side. So pretty much, basically these models right here, there's a Whirlpool, there's a Roper, there's a Mana, there's an Admiral. They all have the same tops. This one's just scratched up, so I'm just going to make a simple video here on how to switch it out. Alright, so once you've got this back panel removed, all you're going to do is you're going to walk around the front. Grab you a flathead screwdriver. You're going to pry it right underneath here. And I'll walk around the back to show you exactly what I'm doing real quick. You can see there's a little metal clip right there. And all we're doing right here is we're going to tap the screwdriver and pop these loose. Not quite far enough. You can see this side's up. We're going to go here to this side. And do the same thing, but you can lift up a little bit easier to give you a little space in between there. And you want to line it up. And you can just hear it pop right up, just like so. Alright, so once we've got the panel up, all we have to do now is come around here to the back, lift it up. We'll go ahead and lay it down, and all we're going to do is connect everything back together to the new control panel. And all you do on this one is you lift up a little bit and twist on your pressure tube, pressure sensor. Go ahead and set it off. Same way with this one, you can see there's a little lip. You can lift it up and twist, and reach around and grab the knob. Okay, so now that we've got these off to the side, we'll start with these. And we'll go ahead and begin to remove them. You might want to take a picture of them. I mean, I've done this thing so many times that it's kind of just self-explanatory, you know? I mean, bam, 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 bam. You know, there. This one's going to go there. It's a black one, and then there's a blue one, and there's a black and blue hole. This big one's going to go here. But if you don't want to do that, you're afraid you might mix them up or you can't get them all back together, you can just go ahead and take a picture of it real quick before you begin. And it'll make it a little bit easier on you. Some of these may be a little bit harder than others. You may have to use both hands to pull it up. Slide this blue tab up. I'm gonna save this part right here because this is the most important part on these machines. Pretty pricey little part too, I'd say. You have to order it to replace one. Okay. So once we've got those disconnected, you can see they just kind of go through here just like so. Let me show you. Just like this, around these three right here. And you got your power cord. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and grab this pressure tube. And basically what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to put it kind of upside down looking and you see it fits into place and it just pops right into place there. Come around the front, and go ahead and put your knob back on. There's the first one. The second one here is the same way. See, it's got those little grooves. You're gonna turn it until you can feel it go inside the hole and then pop in place. Go ahead and put this handle on. Now we're gonna match the wires back up. We're gonna go ahead and run these three through here like so. We'll go ahead and pop these two wire holders back in place. And we'll go ahead and connect the power cord. And now all we're gonna do is we're gonna match up our wires back. Black with black, blue with blue. This is our lid switch. This one, there's nothing that goes in here. So now that we've got everything connected back, all we got to do, I dropped one of my pins under the washing machine from the other side, so I'm just gonna snag one off of this old one here. And if this happens on you, all you have to do is grab it like so and squeeze it until it pops in place. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna line these back ones up first. As you can see, come over here, we'll line this back one up, and this front just snaps right down into place. Okay, so once you've got it popped in place, we can go ahead and slide their knob back over the front one here. We'll go ahead and come around the back. All right, so if you didn't take this plate off here, the easiest way to do it is to slide it over the hot and cold here, and then just lift up on it a little bit and slide that under right there. If not, you can just take your 1/4 inch and remove this plate right here. All right, so now all we're gonna do, we're gonna start these 1/4 inch bolts back by hand real quick. Once you've got these 5 bolts in, just go ahead and tighten them back up. We'll plug this bad boy in and we'll be good to go. All right, so once you've got all those tightened down, you can come around the front here. And you can see we are good to go, ready to go. Thanks for watching.